Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn the 14 lessons remaining part. Okay. Today we are going to learn one question related with present tense. Okay. Read and complete the following text by writing verbs in the tense indicate. Okay. We want to complete the following text. Here is one paragraph. Okay. We want to complete the tense verbs in the tense indicate. Remember this. In bracket they indicate in which tense you want to complete that sentence. Let's start. It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock in the evening and it dash snow. The verb is snow. Okay. And then we want to write it present perfect continuous. Okay. First we read all the topic and then we solve. Okay. Perfect continuous. Then 4 hours, full stop, dark clouds, blank, race, dash. We want to convert this verb race into present perfect continuous across the sky since early morning and a fierce wind. Okay, fierce wind has just blank. Here is verb start. Okay, then you want to convert this start verb into present perfect. Okay, then blowing across the fields, shopkeeper in the small village, blank, already blank. Look here, lock. We want to convert this verb into present perfect tense in this blank. Okay, their doors and the main street. Okay, look here, here is also one blank and here is B. We want to write here present form of that verb. Almost silent upstairs in the small flat above his. Okay, parent shop. Then John blank. Look here, here is blank. Just blank, then close. Close is verb. We want to write that close verb into present perfect tense. Okay, then his book. He has been blank present perfect continuous tense. We want to use here. Here is verb realizing. Okay, realize. Then 10 o'clock reading and taking notes. In this way, here is one text we want to complete this. Okay, now let's start. It is 7 o'clock in the evening and it. We want to write this snow verb in present perfect continuous tense. It has, okay, it has been snowing. Okay, then 4 hours, dark clouds. Look here, race. We want to this verb into present perfect continuous tense. Clouds. Okay, clouds have been racing. Clouds is a plural noun, so we use here have. Clouds have been racing. Okay, racing, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, across the sky since early morning and a fierce winds has just. Okay, start. We want to use this verb into present perfect. Then has already is used here. Wind has just started. Okay, started blowing across the fields, shopkeeper in the small village. We want to use here log this verb in present perfect. So according to this, shopkeeper we use here has. Okay, shopkeeper in the small village has already locked their doors and the main street. Okay, main street. Look here, here is verb be. We want to use here is. Street is almost silent. Upstairs in the small flat above his parents' shop. John blank, just blank, then close. We want to use this close verb in present perfect tense. So we can use here has, because John is singular, so we can use here has. John has just closed, okay, his book. He has been realizing. Okay, look here, here is verb realize, present perfect continuous. So he has been, and we want to use here verb realizing. Okay, realizing according to this instruction, present perfect continuous. Okay, now since 10 o'clock, reading and taking notes, full stop. Now the same text is here, we want to fill according to instructions. Okay, however he hasn't, look here, verb is finished, we want to use this verb in present perfect negative. So has already or negative also used here, so you can write here finished. Verb third form, finished. Okay, he hasn't finished, present perfect or negative. Has plus not, we can write here has not also. Okay, we can write here has not also, both are correct, has not or hasn't. He has not finished it. Okay, he, then blank, we want to write this verb no into present negative, so we can use here don't. He don't know, sorry, he doesn't. Okay, according to third present, so we can use here, the subject is third person singular, so we use here does. Okay, and then negative does not. Okay, does not, he does not know, does not know, he does not know. Then everything ate, even though he has blank work, present perfect continuous tense. He has been, we can use here been working. Okay, according to sentence meaning or instruction, present perfect continuous. Has plus been plus VING, verb ing, that indicate the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, hard for months. Okay, that means he has been working hard for months, full stop. He has been working hard because tomorrow he has an important exam. He has an important exam, full stop. Now dash next door in the kitchen. Okay, here is paragraph change. Next door in the kitchen, comma, his parents have dash prepare. We want to use this verb into present perfect continuous. Okay, parents have been preparing according to this instruction, present perfect continuous tense. The subject is plural, so we can use here have. Okay, parents have been preparing the dinner. Then during the past few weeks they have been dash. Okay, we can use here present perfect continuous tense, helping. Okay, helping. The sentence like that, during the past few weeks they have been helping their son because they know important. Okay, they know important tomorrow's exam is. Okay, in this way we can complete this chart or text. Okay, I hope you will understand the whole thing related with this text, and you should remember the two formulas basically. Okay, when the yes plus has oblique have plus V3, it indicates the present perfect tense, and then next formula is subject plus has oblique have plus been plus VING. These two formulas are used in this text. These are the very important formulas. Okay, present perfect tense for this formula and this present perfect continuous. I hope you will understand the whole things related with the text. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.